Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 48 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. As you can see, this has been fully refurbished in great working condition. Total weight's 850 pounds. Dimensions is going to be 32 inches length, 40 wide, 57 inches high. This is a 3-phase wired 480 water cooling. It is in great shape. We'll go ahead and show you the nameplate really quick and get you started really quick so you guys can see the scope. Bring you guys over here really quick. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.